Landmark has become very popular among the Generation Z. What do you think makes your pieces stand out in such a very competitive online market?
I think it's being unique. So, yun nga yung sabi ko, like from the very moment ay binuksan namin yung TMK, it came from an idea na wala pa tingin namin itong product na to sa market. So, nung nag-release kami ng iba pang pieces sa TikTok and sa other platforms namin, iniisip namin kung mayroon na ba nito sa market. Kasi ayaw namin ng competition. Kasi pag nag-start yung competition marketing-wise, marami na talagang gagaya. And or maraming kaming kailangan i-consider, especially yung price, yung quality, at saka yung customer review. So as much as possible, gusto namin ibigay yung mga bago sa mata nung ano namin, nung mga magiging customer na.
Yeah, and I feel naman na you really achieved that with the kayo trendsetters nung nung top talaga. So